to Match May. So honestly, one of the biggest things that we have ever done is matching people to hair crowns. It has become a really helpful thing that people who are getting into that world of wigs or just wanting to try something new, we love to suggest something for you. So we officially have started our Match May program to match you guys, and we have 2 different tiers. So let's talk about them. The first one is going to be an email consultation with me. You'll receive a questionnaire and I will send back a 60-second video of the crowns that I matched you with. The perk of this one, you will receive 1 wig that I have matched you with, and you can also receive the other 2 at a 10% discount on those crowns. To purchase this, you will actually go to our website and check out just like normal. For our second tier, the value is $175 and you will get a time slot with me. You'll get 20 to 25 minutes. So when you go to check out, you will actually purchase your time right then and there, and you will receive a Zoom link which will show you what time we will be meeting. You will still be filling out that questionnaire, so I have something to go by, and I will be choosing 3 to 4 crowns to match you with. The perk on this one is great because you will receive not only that 1 crown, but you can purchase the other crowns at 15% off along with any other accessories that you might need. So when you purchase this, it is all based on time slots. So that way, once you go to purchase, you will see exactly when that Zoom meeting will be. Remember, we are Pacific Standard Time. One extra perk on this one, if I know that there will be a wig that would just look fantastic on you, you will actually be getting early access to some crowns that are not yet released. How exciting is that?